Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdul Al Siam. My ID number 192354662. I presented to Mr. Nurujjaman Faruqi sir, lecturer, Department of Software Engineering at DIU, and he is the best machine learning teacher in Bangladesh. Now I would like to talk about JavaScript for modern web developers. Introduction of JavaScript. JavaScript is a dynamic programming language that's used for the web development. It is lightweight and mostly commonly used as a part of the web pages whose implementation allow clients and script to interact with the user and make dynamic pages. It is an interpreted programming language with object-oriented capabilities. JavaScript uses JavaScript is a logic-based programming language that can be used to modify website content and make it behave in different ways in response to user action. It is used for web development in web application, game development, and lots more. It allows to implement dynamic features on the web page that cannot be done with the early HTML and CSS. JavaScript used because it is comparatively fast for the end user, easy to debug and test, platform independent, and event-based programming language. Importance for web development. As a client-side programming language, JavaScript helps web developers to make web pages dynamic and interactive by implementing custom client-side script. At the same time, the developers can also use cross-platform runtime engines like Node.js to write server-side code in JavaScript. They can even combine JavaScript, HTML, and CSS to create web pages that look good across the browser, platforms, and devices. And it is relatively simple implementing to dynamic. Popularity. JavaScript is used everywhere in the web, and it is the most popular programming language in the world. The front-end user interface is all of JavaScript. It is currently used by 94.5% of all the websites. In graph, we see the top list of JavaScript language. JavaScript is now used by more than 16.4 million developers globally. That's all about JavaScript for modern web developers. Thank you.